there, welcome to 26 Orestis Way in Lewiston, Maine. This 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath ranch sits right in the heart of Lewiston, just up the street from Bates College, on a very nice neighborhood area, and also very close to restaurants, stores, and other amenities. Plus, you're only 10 minutes from I-95. Very convenient. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you'll notice that it's a wide open space. The beautiful kitchen affords lots of counter space and a brand new refrigerator. To the right is a 4-season room with tile flooring and huge windows all the way around. The hall leads you into 3 bedrooms and a full, freshly upgraded bathroom, including a washer and dryer.